What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting a new series on my channel called the Natural Hair Care Series versus Battle. And today the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Shampoo will be going head to head with the Melanin African Black Soap Shampoo in an epic battle to see who is the best for my natural hair. So to see what I thought and who won the fight, go ahead and keep on watching. Let's get ready to rumble. In this corner we have Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo, and as you can see, sheet thick. It's great for those with dry damaged hair who want a deep cleansing experience with hydrating and repairing benefits. It's sulfate, silicone, and paraben free. And this is a non-stripping shampoo, so I noticed it lathered beautifully and did not make my hair feel dry and stripped of its natural oils. It is a 16-ounce bottle that retails for $32.40 for a shampoo. So think about that one. And in this corner we have the Melanin African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. She is thick as well, as you can see. And this is a 16-ounce bottle that retails for $19.89. And it is a soothing and refreshing rich lather that you can feel as soon as it's applied. It is a clarifying shampoo, so it does feel stripping on the hair once it's rinsed out. It contains nourishing and healing and anti-inflammatory oils such as tea tree, black cumin seed, rosemary, and peppermint, which you can feel as soon as it's applied, and it is wonderful. And just like Briogeo, there are no harsh ingredients such as sulfates, silicones, parabens, or phthalates. You definitely want to concentrate on the scalp and then run the lather down the strands to get that thorough clean. And massage both sides. See how they feel. No, it's going to feel slightly more moisturizing. You can tell the lather is different. Or not. So, congratulations. Very thin on the lower side. All the oils and all the cook down my hair from the leaf. Rinses very quickly and cleanly. Keep your hair feel more sleek and clean. Not necessarily moisturized. If you like that thing, I don't know. It would be good. So now we'll go to the Brio side. Let's do the Melanin side. More moisturized, of course. Still going pretty clean. But not pretty, but this is the Brio side and the Melanin side. A lot more stiff on this side than this side. Alright, so here's my final thoughts on the Melanin versus Briogeo shampoo face-off battle versus battle, if you will. Here we got the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. And then here we got the Melanin African Black Soap Shampoo. Both of these are fantastic shampoos, and they both have their own distinctive uses. But the one that I think won the entire battle for a plethora of things is going to be Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. And you may be saying, wow, I thought that was the more expensive shampoo. Yes, it is. But I'm just comparing these two. I'm not comparing them to anything else for their own specific reasons. The Briogeo I feel is awesome for daily and or weekly use. So it cleanses the hair, it also repairs any damages, and it also moisturizes and helps you to detangle while you're washing your hair. So it makes the washing process a lot more easier and streamlined. And again, there's no harsh sulfates, silicones, parabens, any kind of bad ingredients in this product. So it is all natural and it is Black owned. So I definitely would say this is a good one. You can get the smaller. This is the biggest one, 1,000 milliliters. I didn't get it on purpose. I thought I was getting the other one, but you can get the smaller one and it retails $32.50, I believe. So yeah, price wise it is more expensive, but I think the quality of it is great for a shampoo. Shampooing is very important. You know, you want to cleanse your hair, you want to keep it healthy, you don't want it brittle and breaking for the further processes in your wash day routine. So you want it to be as simple as possible. So I think that will be a great one if you have my texture, kinkier hair. It definitely will help in that wash day process. Melanin, of course, is the bomb. I do like that it has that peppermint, minty, tingly feel on the scalp. It really helps to rejuvenate the scalp and make it feel clean. But this I would only use monthly. I definitely only use it sparingly because it's very stripping on the hair. So if you want to clarify your hair after a lot of styling products and things build up like that, you definitely would use this to remove all of that. But I would not use it daily or weekly at that. You do want your hair to retain a lot of its own natural oils and moisture. So this one definitely a once a month is a go-to for me as well. So, and both of these are Black owned products, and I definitely support our Black owned sisters out there trying to make our process a lot more manageable and doable. We want our hair to be just as streamlined as everybody else's hair, straight hair, wavy hair. We want our hair to be what it is, what comes out of our scalp. So I definitely support these two brands. But today for this battle, again, Briogeo. If you tried it, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you think about it as well. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button as well as subscribe if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by and looking at my video today. And if you're interested in further videos, please hit that notification bell so that you can be reminded when I upload future videos. So stay tuned for my next video, which will be featuring leave-in conditioners, where I will be comparing two major brand leave-in conditioners. If you can guess what they are, go ahead and put them down in the comments down below. And please stay tuned for that future upload as well as other videos that I will be featuring in this natural hair care series versus battle. So if there are any other products that you'd like me to feature in this natural hair care series versus battle, please let me know down below in the comment section what products you would like me to try, and comparing them with what other product. It could be conditioners, it could be shampoo, it could be leave-ins, it could be deep conditioner, anything that you could think of. I will be happy to give those a try and compare them here on my channel. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and as always, keep on shining, and I'll see you next time.